Hello everyone, welcome to Chinese lesson with Miss Shirley, your first words. Today we will continue to learn how to write numbers in Chinese, and the number is 2. Welcome kids, 欢迎小朋友. Number 2 in Chinese is 二, and it looks like this. 二. We will have 2 horizontal lines. One will be shorter, that will be the top line. So we start with number 1 on the top, going across from left to right, like so. And the second line on the bottom will be slightly longer. That's it. Very simple, isn't it? So now, if you would like to pause the video and practice writing this. Excellent. And this is number 2 in Chinese, 二. How does your writing look like? Let's check it out. I have a worksheet available for you to practice writing numbers 1 through 20. Please check out the information below. My email address is there. Go ahead and send me a message, and I'll be happy to send it to you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and notification. You don't want to miss your next lesson. Until the next time, 再见.